What's up, guys? The boy Sinus came in the building. Like, comment, and subscribe. Wagwan peeps, and we there with another. Yo, me not tell no lie, the place hot. Look how me sweating. I'm sweating. Sabaka.
How you doing, John Crow?
Bang! But as usual, guys, right before getting it, just remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe because it really helps out your Jamaican YouTuber for sure. But anyway, peeps, no more itching. Baby Sinus, right into it. Right into the video now, we'll kick off the first one you know. Let's go.
I can confirm that Mr. Kenneth Wilson, 64-year-old, unemployed of Panasas, Clarkstown, was charged for the murder of Miss Nikisha Keeling. This incident occurred out of a domestic situation. The accused man appeared to have been jealous of his girlfriend, and the accused her of not treating him well and being unfaithful. So that was the motive for the murder. It was in that night, as I understand, he stabbed her and then chopped her up. He came to the station about 1 o'clock, 1 a.m. Sunday morning, yes. But he would have reported that after he killed her, he was there for more than an hour. The community is in shock. It was not something that they were expecting. At no time believed that this would happen. They did not see it in any form or shape.
Rough the man, kill him common law wife, as we clearly can see. Apparently, according to him, she never did treat him good, and she keep born. Man, you get mad, kill the woman and chop up a woman, and all them things there. What is wrong with the Uno man in a Jamaica? Eh? What is wrong with you, no man? You know, take out all it. That you never do a bit, but for the serious level, what is wrong with you, no man? You know one woman, you know say God alone own woman, right? Cause of him build the woman them, right? So my youth, my thing is this pan a situation. If a relationship have a problem, you know work on fixing the problem, man. You know what I mean? If it is, it not go work out. Boy, rough and it hot. Ball. Do what you have to do. I know it will take a while. But you go come around somehow. You know what I mean? But you don't really deserve for nobody no have the power to kill nobody like that, cause we never make nobody. You know what I mean? And the man them in Jamaica, when if you stop lick down the woman them and kill the woman, man all climb through window, 1-story, 2-story house. The man go put up one ladder, go through the window and stab up the woman, kill the woman. Next man a shot woman and all them thing there. And what do you know, brethren? Eh? When you dey on a roll like area, man, a be a man a kill woman, what? What so? Yes, me know relationship stressing. Yes. Yes, baby Sinus. Pick up yourself, I agree. Yeah, me know it's a situation and woman can be stressing at times, but yet that you man too, me just can be stressing at times too, but that don't mean say if you kill the woman then, right? You not own a woman, virgin. You not own a woman and no man, none of God. Stop kill the people them, virgin, and see you get yourself in a trouble there right now. Clark's town. We are Trelawny. Them place. Do you have a lot of crime in Trelawny? I don't know. Somebody can. Do you know if that makes sense? See, that's what I'm telling baby Sinus. They be chipping like Tyrone. Top killer of the woman them. Top killer of the woman them. Yes, let them know. Yes, let them know. Top killer of the woman them. Top killer of the woman them. Anyway, next video. Ayo.
Look at this dude. Wait till you see the. No, 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 no.
What? Yeah, hope you enjoy the video there and ting. It's short, but we'll keep them bubbling as them say. You know what I mean? Today what? Thursday. Yeah. Today Wednesday? Box foot. Happy Wednesday to you people. Thank you very much, Miss Sinus. You live to see another day, so stop your grumbling and stop going like you want to be ungrateful. Stop it right now. You're alive. Right now. Jamaican Donald Trump. Yeah, we're there. But guess what? We'll keep the pot bubbling open. Enjoy them things there. Leave your thoughts down below and let me know what you think about the whole situation. How the man them a kill off the woman them a Jamaican, the man kill off him command law wife. We at Trelawny, we never even expect that. Right, baby Sinus, I know she be agreed. Big up yourself, Miss Sinus. Yeah, and we're there. Yeah. So just go on, join with the boy. Thank you very much for watching. Quick one. Ah, shoot!
Yeah.